The remarks about the information given to you about privacy laws and copyright laws are based on facts and sound evidence and were researched in the Supreme Court case records. The Supreme Court ruled and set precedent. An individual does not lose control over information for the purposes of Section 8 of the Charter of Rights. The right to unreasonable search or seizure. Simply because another individual possesses it or can access it, the court ruled, nor does the risk that a recipient could disclose an electronic conversation negate a reasonable expectation of privacy in electronic conversation. Therefore, even when an individual does not have exclusive control over his or her personal information, only shared control, he or she may yet reasonably expect that that information remains safe from scrutiny. Your baseless statements are not facts, and your statements are not based on sound evidence. The mayor is spreading disinformation and needs to do research farther than the desk of the CAO. Your allegations, Mayor, are false, misleading, and not researched, and frankly, ignorant and arrogant. I suggest the mayor seek proper legal advice rather than parroting words from unqualified sources. There is no need to intercept an email to deem it a violation of the privacy of the laws of Canada. The email was not addressed to the councillor, period. That councillor is in violation of privacy laws just for the mere fact that she read the email and then passed on the email without permission from the original sender. You need to be looking this stuff up. The deceitful, untrustworthy, unethical person who passed on the information did not have permission from the original sender and has also violated privacy laws of Canada by forwarding the email to the councillor. The councillor then forwarded on to the council members and the CAO. All of you are in violation of federal legislation. The entire council, including the mayor and the CAO, are in violation of copyright laws by publishing the email in the minutes. Again, Mayor, you have neglected your duties as mayor, and now you're breaking laws. Your pathetic attempt to spread disinformation shows you didn't research the information, nor did you seek legal advice. You're not arguing with me. You're arguing against a Supreme Court decision. The Supreme Court of Canada is the highest appeal body in Canada's judicial system. It is the final arbitrator of law in a court system based primarily on common law, using judicial precedent and on respect for the rule of stare decisis. The notion that courts of appeal may modify or overturn lower court decisions to ensure there is a uniform application of a law, and it's been that way since 1867. Your position of mayor does not give you any power to override, speculate, or guess which laws you must abide by. You, the council, and the CAO are bound by a uniformed application of the law, just like the people you describe as drowning in alcohol and addiction. You, Mayor Davis, and the council and the CAO are not above the laws of Canada.
Point of privilege, Mr. Mayor.
We're in public input at the moment. Are you down there?
It's referencing two staff statements.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Your own attorney advised you that you have no right to launch legal action against me in regard to that email, nor do you have any rights to launch any defamation against that email, as well as the mail out on January 24th. Have you read the documentation from your own lawyer? You're violating basically and going against your own lawyer's advice. And I've requested you to remove page 8 and page 9 on the village website, and it's still up there. You're violating copyright laws, and you have no rights to do so.
I get my legal advice from my lawyer, not from you.
Which your own
You're
lawyer
putting words
basically
in her
presented represented to me, and I've read that you don't have any rights on defamation against my email at all.
Fine, sue me then.
So we'll use taxpayers' money to fight taxpayers?
Yes, why am I not given the resources of the village to sue you when you are given that privilege?